Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I create this bad bitch makeup look. First thing first, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face with my Hue moisturizer, and this is really good for dry skin. So you guys know I do have a crazy dry skin so I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Next, I'm going to go into my Hue Anti-Aging Serum, and this has hyaluronic acid inside. So I'm going to go ahead and put it onto my cheeks and blend it right into my skin. By the way guys, if you're wondering about this hair look, I did go ahead and customize it myself. I'll be posting that tutorial in my next video, which is coming up tomorrow. So make sure you guys tune in for that. Now I'm going to go into my NYX Born to Glow Illuminator palette, and I'm going to go ahead and take it all over my skin, but it is almost done. Like, these stores need to hurry up and open. I'm like out of a lot of stuff. So now I'm going to go into my Sacha Buttercup, and I'm going to put, I did put a lot. I was like, oh my god, it's all over my hair. Damn. So I'm going to go ahead and put it onto my brows, because you guys saw that I did put a lot of moisturizer and serum and stuff on my face. So I have to, you know, make sure that the brows are not greasy. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I'm going to do it very different today. You will see later on. But I'm going to go ahead and use my concealer. You could use any concealer, but I think this one is the NARS concealer in Amende, and I'm going to go ahead and put it under my brows and then clean up my brows before I actually do my brows. You're going to see later on how I do it. Now I'm going to go into my Ruby Kisses in level 14, and I'm taking the darkest shade, and I'm going to use that to clean up the top of my brows, because this concealer blends right into my skin, and I only use that to clean up the top part of my brows. And I'm also going to take that to conceal my eyelid. Next, I'm going to go into my ABH Dewy Setting Spray, and I could do this because I have dry skin, as I said, but if you have oily skin, do not do it. I'm going to go ahead and spray that on my face because my skin was feeling a little bit dry, even though I put the moisturizer, but you know, a little bit of extra moisture won't harm me because, you know, my skin is dry. Anyways, I'm taking my Kat Von D Lucky foundation, and what is it, neutral 44, something like that. I'll put it on the description box. Make sure you guys check it out. Everything that I put on my face will be in the description box. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it all over my entire face, and as you can see that it is blend right into my skin. It looks so flawless and nice. Next, I'm going to take my Kat Von D concealer in the 44 neutral, and I'm going to put it right under my eyes and wherever I want to highlight and conceal. Then I'm going to go ahead and use a damp beauty blender and blend it out. Next, I'm going to go into my Fenty concealer, and I'm just going to put a little teeny bit. This one is the 380, and I'm going to put it right underneath because I could still see a little bit of dark spots seeping through. I did not color correct, so I have to do this when I don't. Now I'm going to go into my MAC finishing powder in NW45. and just set the outer area of my face, just so that it does not start to, you know, crease up and all of that stuff before I blend out that concealer under the eyes. Now I'm going to go into my Fenty powder in butter, and I'm also going to blend it with the Sacha Buttercup. It just gives me a different kind of look when I put both together. So I'm going to, you know, put both, and I'm going to put a little bit of the Sacha Buttercup because it's a little bit too yellow. So I'm going to put more of the Fenty than the Sacha Buttercup. Now I'm up close and personal, and I'm going to go into my Jackie Aina palette with ABH. I love this palette so much. I am obsessed. And I'm only going to use this palette for this look. So I'm going to take a ginger, and pretty much this is the transition shade. And I'm going to go ahead and just blend it in. And I was thinking which color I should go into, but I finally decided to go into that color. I don't remember the name of the color because I don't have the palette in front of me, but if you do, you do know what color I went into. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it right onto the lid. And let me tell you something, this color giving me a life. I love it so much. Now I'm going to go into edges, and I'm going to take that onto another brush, and I'm going to focus it on the outer corner and blend it with the other shade on my lid because I do not want to see a separation. I want it to look like it is fading into each other. I'm going to go ahead and take that same edges, and I'm going to put it onto the bottom lashes area. So now I'm going to go into my Benefit 3D Brow Tone in 4.5, and this is what I'm going to use for my brows. I'm only going to put it just to, you know, hide those bald spots, you know, those stuff. I don't know what you call it, bald spot, whatever, but this make your brows look so damn natural. Like, look at this. I love it so much. I always use this when I want to have a natural brow. So I'm going to go ahead and just put it on, and that's the only thing I'm putting on my brows, nothing else. And as you can see how beautiful it looks so natural. I love the way how I did my brows today. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this nice golden shade. I was deciding which shade I should put, but I picked this nice champagne shade for the inner highlight, and it looks so nice. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on. So next is the wing liner, and guys, let me tell you something, my NYX that I love is done, completely done. So I'm going to use this one that I always use when I do my Halloween makeup look. It's the face cream doesn't harm you. It is good for the face. So I'm going to put it onto my eyes for the wing, and I'm going to take the excess onto the back of my hand and put it onto a very, very thin straight angle brush and just make that wing, and it looks so good. And also, I'm not going to bring the wing all the way into the inner corner. I'm just going to stop it right there, just like that, and then I'll blend it in. Now I'm going to go into my Maybelline mascara and coat my lashes. And then I'm going to take my Prestige Mink lashes from my Mink collection in Fluffy. But before that dry, I'm going to go ahead and do my blush. And I'm going to take my ABH in Cocktail Party and just do a little bit of blush. Now I'm going to take that same palette and I'm going to take the darkest shade right there for the bronzer and contour and just do my cheeks. Then I'm going to go ahead and put on those lashes, and I love this so much. If you guys did not check out my website, go ahead and check it out. The link is always in the description box. So make sure you guys check it out. Now I'm going to go into my e.l.f. highlight in Coffee and Cream, and I'm going to take both shade and put it onto the highest point of my cheeks. Now I'm going to go ahead and line the lips. I'm taking I don't know what lip liner that was, but it was a very brown lip liner from the beauty supply store. And I'm going to go ahead and line the lips. And then I'm going to take my favorite peachy nude color from ColourPop. And I think this one is in Saturday. I think so. I should know this. I always use this one, so I should know this. But I'm going to take that shade and then I'm going to use a brush to blend it in. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this Marc Jacob lip gloss and put it onto the lips. It's a very shiny, sparkling, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Then I'm going to go back into my ABH setting spray and spray the face. And this is the final look, guys. This is the Bad Bitch makeup look. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow to see how I create this hair color. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. And don't forget, I do upload Monday through Friday. See you. Bye.